Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about... Oh, excuse me 1 second. Oddbox. Oddbox is a company that saves seasonal fruits and vegetable surplus and produce that doesn't meet supermarkets' cosmetic specs and delivers them straight to your door in a minimal packaging. That's heavy. The Oddbox we have here is their sustainable large fruit and veg box, which rescues 9 varieties of veg and 4 types of fruit surplus from being wasted, thus saving our planet 8 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent and 1,803 liters of water. Time to see what's in the box. Woo!
Okay, so there's quite a lot of fruits and vegetables inside, so let's start unboxing this box.
Now we're ready to do this. From what I can see so far, there are only 2 products that are packaged in plastic: the rucola and the strawberries. And the only reason for this is because those 2 products have already been supplied in plastic. Besides that, I think Oddbox is doing a pretty good job in minimizing their plastic waste, and they also deliver all of their fruit and vegetables in those cardboard boxes that can be recycled. Speaking of deliveries, they only deliver overnight to minimize emissions, which is pretty cool if you think about it, because you get to wake up to farm fresh apples like these. Okay, moving forward, what else do we have here? We have leeks, a few of them. We also have a cucumber, unfortunately packaged again in plastic.
You go in here with your plastic buddies.
Oh, a melon. That is pretty good. Oh, and as a social enterprise, Oddbox is not only focusing on tackling food waste, they also fight food poverty by donating up to 10% of their rescued produce to charities such as City Harvest and the FedEx Project. You can find out more in the description below. Okay, let's see what else we have inside. Peppers. A little bit of green. I love it. White cabbage. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of cabbage, but that's the thing with Oddbox. You don't get to choose what you get in the box for obvious reasons. But that said, you do get an email a few days prior to the delivery of your order to know what to expect. This way, you can start planning your recipes. Next on Project Carita's Celeria. We're almost done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4
massive carrots.
That is going to be the best snowman's nose ever. We also have some red onions, a tiny apple that I missed, and 1 more pepper, a few more onions, and an orange. The rest are potatoes. Okay, and then here we also have some recipes printed on 100% recycled paper. Boom. Okay. So that was everything in the box, plus the potatoes. As you can see, that's quite a lot of fruits and vegetables, and to be honest, I'm quite pleased with the quantity and the quality of those fruits. I mean, all of them, they look great, honestly. Now let's talk about the costs. The cost of the large sustainable fruit and veg box is $18.49. However, on their website they have a number of seasonal produce boxes to choose from, starting at $9.45 for the sustainable small veg box, all the way up to $18.49 for the large one. Well, I guess that was everything from me, Stefan Dimov, and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time! That's a huge carrot.